In this video, I'll guide you on how to quickly disable the control center on the lock screen of any iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open Settings, scroll down until you see Face ID and Passcode. If your iPhone uses a physical button, this option might be labeled Touch ID and Passcode instead. Tap on it and enter your passcode when prompted. Once you are in, scroll down to the section labeled Allow Access when locked. Here you'll see the Control Center option. To stop it from appearing on the lock screen, simply toggle it off. And that's it. Now the Control Center won't be accessible when your iPhone is locked. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button.